Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching the live show Musings with Software Engineers. Vaishnav Tej. Hi Vaishnav, how are you? I work in UiPath middleware, Microsoft Dynamics 2012, but all scrap work. When I'm trying to switch company with 3 years of experience, I'm not even shortlisting for interviews. Please suggest what to do. So, Vaishnav, you have already worked in UiPath. Okay, you have worked in middleware, you have worked on Microsoft Dynamics, correct? And all the things that you have mentioned here are some technologies which are really in demand. Okay. UiPath, if you understand that people who work on the UiPath technology, okay, which means you are working on machine learning or artificial intelligence or data science projects, correct? And if you know this framework, if you know how to work with UiPath, then you are a very valuable resource. Which brings me to, is there a problem that you are falling short of selling yourself? Look, you have to understand that when you are trying to find a job for yourself, then you are trying to sell yourself. You're trying to sell your skills to the company for which the company is going to pay you some salary. Correct? Company is going to say, oh, okay, Vaishnav knows UiPath. Okay, we will give this much for UiPath. And he knows Microsoft Dynamics also. Okay, fine. This is good knowledge. Okay, he knows middleware. Okay, fine. So we feel that we can hire Vaishnav Tej for this package. Okay, we are ready to give him this much money every month for a 160 hours in a month. Okay, 8 hours in a day on these technologies. Okay, but you have to sell yourself. Correct? So I feel that if you're not getting shortlisted for interviews, then you need to first think about, is your resume really right? Is your um, have you written the resume in the way that when this resume goes to the company, this resume floats on the top within the recruiter's dashboard. Okay, see, 80% of all companies are using applicant tracking systems, because what happens is every recruiter, for one position, a recruiter gets hundreds of applications. If there is just one position, hundreds, sometimes thousands of applications. So what does the recruiter do? Recruiter uses a software which is called applicant tracking system. Okay, and in this applicant tracking system, your they will pick only 10 or 15 resumes to read from all the resumes that come. Okay, and they will read those resumes which have like a 4 star or a 5 star quality, which means 80% of what you have mentioned on your resume matches with the job description which has been mentioned. Correct? Because if you are not getting shortlisted, it is not even proven that whether you know the skills or not. If you're not getting shortlisted, it is the problem with your resume is not getting matched to the job description. So what you will need to do is you will need to read 10, 15, 20 job descriptions of jobs which you want to work for, and then think about your skills, and then write your resume in such a way that your skills get highlighted and they match with the job descriptions which you have read. correct? When you do this, then your resume will start getting shortlisted. Okay. I was thinking of doing a finding a job series. Of course, finding a job series, I do not want to do it free of cost. Okay, I wanted to do a paid workshop. Okay, but for that, I need at least 10 to 20 people who are ready for the workshop. Okay, then I can do this find a job series. Okay, it will be a workshop which will go over 5 to 6 days over a period of 15 days. Okay, that is in my mind. I have not yet created the workshop, nothing, but I am seeing this question, that my resumes are that I'm not getting shortlisted. So to fix that problem, I'm thinking about this workshop. But if I have 15 to 20 people, then I can do this live workshop on Zoom. Okay, it will be a purely paid workshop, but people will have to tell me. Okay, how can you tell me? You can go to connect with me on LinkedIn. You can send me a message on LinkedIn. Okay, where do you find my LinkedIn? You go to amitpatels.com. You go to amitpatels.com, and in amitpatels.com you will, so amitpatels.com, this website, Amit Patels, Patels with an S.com, is the website. If you go to the front page, home page of that website, not the resources page, the home page, then there you will find connections to my LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all. You can get connected with me on LinkedIn. Okay, and if there are 20 people who are ready to do this workshop, okay, and if I get these people on LinkedIn or wherever, then I will be ready to do this workshop. Okay, finding your dream job or finding a job, forget about finding your dream job. Okay, finding a job, the entire process. How do you go about defining your skills? Okay, how do you go about writing your resume? What are the important components of a resume? How do you write a ATS compliant resume? Correct, all those things I will explain in that workshop, but it will be a paid workshop. Okay, so if you are interested, then get connected with me on LinkedIn, and we'll see. If I have like 20 people, then I will do that workshop. Is that okay? All of you who are here, please share this video with your friends so that we have more people who join this conversation. Like this video if you have not liked this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification. I am live every Thursday at 9:05 p.m.